This is not only controversial but disturbing at many levels. Gurmeet Ram Rahim, chief of Dera Sacha Sauda, serving a life sentence for murder and a 20-year jail term in rape case, is out on parole again. This is his 15th parole since his first conviction back in the year of 2017. So कुल मिलाके पिछले 8 साल में ये कम से कम 405 दिन जेल के बाहर रहा है. Question is this even logical? Also, if it is required at all, क्योंकि parole तो सिर्फ special circumstances या emergency situations में मिलती है, जैसे death, disease या marriage. But यहाँ गुरमीत राम रहीम को 15 बार parole मिली है, that too when the convictions are so serious against him. Parole rules prohibit the rape murder convict from being part of gatherings, लेकिन गुरमीत अपने followers से time to time virtually connect करते रहता है during his paroles. इस बार आपको पता है वो बाहर क्यों आया है? To attend the birthday party on January 25th of the Dera's second head Shah Satnam Singh. जब इसके केस की सुनवाई हुई थी, क्लैशेस में कम से कम 40 लोगों की मौत हुई थी. He is facing life imprisonment in a murder case of a journalist and 20 years jail term for raping 2 of his followers. This clearly shows the double standards of our justice system, क्योंकि कोई भी और व्यक्ति होता तो शायद इतने serious charges के चलते उसे ये special treatment तो नहीं मिलता. Authorities should answer the mounting questions. Is he getting the leverage to make headlines, or is he being used for a bigger narrative here?